So with my paint really reduced, I actually mix a little bit of 40-20 into my mixture. Really allows the paint to flow much smoother. And I switched to red oxide right now, which is one of my favorite colors for rendering skin tone. Like I said, you can barely see what I am spraying because it's so thin. Here we go, just trying to find the right edge. I found it right here. There we go. Templates come in really handy for all of this tight work, finding my edges. Get into the eye a little bit here. And there you go, folks.